Hey YouTube, this is Zach with Achilles Financial, and we are back with another stock and review. Today we are going to be looking at Walmart, that is ticker symbol WMT. And it feels like it was just a short time ago that we were previewing Walmart and its earnings run-up. So this is a stock that, as you can see, has jumped up almost 7.5% today, which is insane for a stock like Walmart, which traditionally is not a huge mover. You can see it continuing to change here in after hours trading. The big news that is moving this today is that Walmart has released or will be releasing its subscription program that is a huge slap in the face to Amazon Prime. This is going to be called Walmart Plus, and the reason for that is because in today's environment, anything that has plus after it is perceived as better. So Walmart has been killing it, and you can see that just over the past month, or rather the past 3 months. Just again, the stock just continues to pound higher because as a result of the COVID pandemic. And you can see that after the initial run up and into earnings, they just kept going higher and higher and higher. And this was all-time highs, and the stock has not been doing poorly, by the way. But we saw huge growth in e-commerce. We saw huge growth in overall in-store sales despite the pandemic. And the big growth in the e-commerce was because more and more people were going to their delivery platform for groceries as well as the curbside pickup. So with people being more inclined to buy and utilize their grocery service, this is an area where Walmart has just been beating Amazon, and Amazon is the one to be watching. So we saw Amazon hit all-time highs yesterday. I did make a video just walking through all of the items that went into building that into having Amazon crest $3,000 a share. In terms of market capitalization, Walmart is nearly 4 times behind where Amazon is at the time of writing this. So with that being said, Walmart is now playing catch up, and we're just looking at over the 3 months. We're at 127 right now, where the previous high, I believe, was 133.38, and that was back in April in that earnings run up. And while they announced great earnings, they still just weren't able to just crest any higher than that, and they've been steadily falling since then. So the key things to watch here is we are going to be seeing, this is a subscription-based service, so it will cost money. They're looking at between, I believe it's $99 a year. That's going to be the fee to apply for this service. So we're going to see that later this month. When that gets launched, I anticipate to see an additional pop in the stock price, as well as they have their earnings announcement that'll be in August. So, and over the past 3 months, again, Walmart has been killing it both online and in store. So the question is going to be, what can we expect going forward? As you can see, I've made some bullish bets. I've actually got 2 plays on the buy side that I am going in on, and then I had 1 call that I sold to make this free. And you can see that represented here. So that being said, what are some of our options capabilities? Well, the ones that I've been looking at are these 14th and 21st, because they do have earnings on the, I believe it's the 18th. So they do have earnings on the 18th. So you're going to have to get that August 21 to cover earnings. And the premium has shot up. I would wait for this to go down a little bit. And that's assuming that tomorrow there is some of that time decay. But again, to see some of those higher calls, look, you're already seeing 148 for August 21st. And this is, again, after hours, so not fully representative. However, we need to see some bigger moves for this to go up above that 140 mark. Again, all-time highs is that 133 mark. And again, this will cover earnings. I do think that there will be some earnings run up. I do anticipate holding mine until this point in time. But Walmart is traditionally not a big mover. This is not normal when you see a $9 move for Walmart. So, and you can see that represented here. Again, they've kind of been trading in this range over the course of the past week. So on a go-forward basis, I do think that Walmart is going to continue to be a value stock. I don't know if it's going to be able to crest that 140 mark, but that's what we're going to be watching for, is it going to break out of its all-time high? The news that we're watching now, I do think people will see tomorrow. I do think it'll go higher. This is just a play that I think it makes sense to take the profits when they're there. Again, I made this one free, which was the one a lot closer to the money. So now that both of these are free, I do plan on holding them for the foreseeable future. So we'll see. Let's hope. I do think that this is going to be a good play for Walmart, and I think that they're going to continue to outperform the broader grocery delivery service. So we'll see it. If you found this content helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks everyone. Talk to you later.